In this question, if m x0 y0 is the point on the curve 3x square minus 4y square equal to 72, which is nearest to the line 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x0 plus y0 is equal to what? Here we have the hyperbola 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 72. Now, a tangent to this hyperbola parallel to the line is given by the slope of the tangent to the hyperbola parallel to this line is given by m is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now, the slope at the point x0, y0 is given by differentiating this equation, we get 6x minus 8y into dy by dx equal to 0. This gives dy by dx equal to 3x upon 4y. Now we have 3x0 by 4y0 is equal to minus 3 by 2, giving x0 is equal to minus 2y0. Therefore, substituting in this equation, we get 3 into minus 2y0 the whole square minus 4y0 square is equal to 72. Or we can write 8y0 square is equal to 72. Therefore, we have y0 is equal to plus or minus 3. Now we have the straight line 3x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. A line parallel to this line is given by 3x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. The distance between this line and this line is minimum when c minus 1 is minimum. Since this line passes through 3x0 plus 2y0 plus equal to 0, we can write c is equal to minus 3x0 minus 2y0 equal to 4y0 equal to plus or minus 12. Therefore, c minus 1 is minimum when c is equal to plus 12. That is when y0 is equal to plus 3. Therefore, we have x0 plus y0 is equal to 3 plus x0 is 2 minus 2y0, minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 3. So our answer is minus 3.